Here we go again. Beautiful night. We're going to be going to the first bike night in a long time. I don't even know if I've given you guys a video from a bike night. Yeah, actually I did when I was in Florida just recently. But we're going to start showing you guys around here, the New Jersey, New York area, some bike nights. So we're actually going to RUTT'S Hutt, which is like a pretty famous like hot dog place here in Clifton, New Jersey. Every Wednesday at 6 p.m. they have a bike night. I'm gonna stop by my boy Joe's house. So that traction control light did not go off, so I'm definitely going to be putting a little round black sticker on it and that's it, and call it a day. Unless like I'm at the dealer and they say, you know what, yeah, no problem, we'll do it, and it's not no issues and stuff like that. But if I gotta pay like $200 to get rid of that light, hell no, definitely not. I'm not paying. So we'll just put a little black round sticker right over it. Out of sight, out of mind. Oh, look at that thing. Oh man, I have no, what is that? Come on, you car guys. Let me know in the comments. That is interesting. What's crazy is like I'm usually in bed like 9:30, 10 o'clock, lights out, and then I'm up like 5 a.m. every day. So this is like something different for me because I usually don't go out. I don't give you guys like a lot of night ride videos unless it's like we're away on a trip. But I'm gonna start giving you guys more night ride videos here in the area, to like bike nights and stuff like that, to give you kind of a little bit of a night vibe, you know what I'm saying? What's up, buddy? Yeah, of course.
We're making bets.
How you doing?
It's gonna be good, man. How are you?
Good.
So it's gonna be the Hayabusa.
Oh, congratulations!
Thank you.
Oh, good for you. Oh boy.
Little Rocco.
Little Rocco, huh?
He's got a tough go at it with his brother Nicholas.
That's awesome.
Ready to roll?
Yeah, you ready? Yeah, let's go check it out. Hopefully it's open. I actually called. They are.
Yeah. I want to.
Alrighty, I got Joe behind me. Gotta hop on Route 80. Man, I tell you, I can't say it enough. The roads are absolutely atrocious. Be careful. roads, friggin' traffic. You guys are watching and you guys are from some like rural areas, which I would love to be in, but let me tell you, you guys would go nuts here. Oh my God, these roads are horrible. We're here at RUTT'S Hutt. It's still early, not really anybody here, just me and Joe and a couple guys. Yeah, what model is it? What is it? Sprint.
Yeah, the last year they made it.
1974 Harley Davidson Sprint. Wow, look at that.
It used to be an SX, but I put it on the street, so I put the SS parts on it. You know, the pipes and the low front fender and stuff. And I got these bars off of Honda back then in 76,
no kidding.
78 or so. Just perfect ones. I don't like the old back crouch, you know. Makes you very comfortable.
6,200.
No, that's a replacement
Oh, is it?
speedometer.
Okay. I was going to say.
For about 45, 46,000.
Oh, okay. Not
on
too
the whole
bad.
thing, and I rebuilt. We had rebuilt about 15,000. Ron Lancaster from Lancaster Sprints and Ferruccio Giannini from Giannini Racing USA. Both helped me put her in a fine shape. Yeah.
Need a front tire almost, bud.
Yeah. I put that off through the winter. It's about time. I'm in love with it. You know, it's cheap to run.
It's cool.
Until
how's she run? Good, yeah.
Oh, great,
yeah. It looks like it. Wow.
I found the time. I found the secret to setting the points on the timing, and she launches like a bull now. You know.
Secret.
Yeah.
gonna get a hot dog? Come on, one. Huh? We're here at Rutt's. We gotta show the. We gotta show. Joe went running before. Joe did a little jogging. Now he don't want a hot dog. You could have a hot dog. You did some running. You're good. Let's check out Rutt's hot dog. Come on, Joe. We gotta get one at least. Well, no.
Even the old lady made dinner, man. I'm just like, nah. You have it. Enjoy.
Can you get a yes. No, you don't. Can I get 2 with kraut and mustard?
We don't put kraut in it, but mustard relish on the counter.
Oh, okay.
Kraut's a side order, right?
No, that's okay.
So just $2.
That's it. Yep.
First time here?
I've been here a while ago.
You want to try the relish?
Yeah, sure.
There's 2 by 2.
You need something, bud?
No, I'm good.
Just security? Been on many times. It's not something new.
I'm sure. Thank you, my friend. Appreciate it.
Need the straw?
Yeah.
Want me to put a lid on that, or you?
Yeah, why not? Joe didn't want anything. Come on, Joe.
I gotta cut some weight.
Come on, cut some weight. What do you mean cut some weight?
You know, especially when you get older, man. It's hard to get that.
I just came back from jogging. Want one? Come on.
No, they look
sure?
great too, man. They do look great.
Here we go. Here we go.
Virginia. It might be up to you.
I'll fetch you well done. 2 liquids, 2 cup of raw meat.
I like it better than with the kraut.
That's why we don't put anything on it, brother. Keep it simple, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
95 years, simple.
How long you guys been here?
95 years.
95. Wow.
Since 1928.
You the owner?
It's my family's place.
Oh, nice.
3 rolls, one by one. One is up
I think I'm the boss.
chopped on his horn.
I don't think that at all.
One with the one.
95 years.
What can I get for you guys? Right here?
Same spot?
Same spot, brother.
Wow.
They built the highway around the place.
Oh, that's crazy. What's your name?
Bill.
Bill. The boss.
Nah, the horse.
Not the boss, the horse.
That's right.
But thank you so much. That was absolutely good. Definitely have the relish. And this guy just ran. He was jogging, so that's why he can't have one.
Well, I'm glad you keep it fit, brother. You want to fit into everything.
Thanks, brother. Appreciate you, man. Thank you so much.
Glad you guys enjoyed it.
95 years. That's right. First have the hot dog, then come jog. Definitely a good hot dog, Joe. With the relish, you know? What's going on? Definitely a good one. We gotta have the relish. They don't even. I asked him for. I asked him for sauerkraut. He said, "What are you talking about? We don't do sauerkraut here. We do relish." But really good. 95 years, and look, that's Route 21 right there. So they, like he said, they definitely built the highways around this place. Crazy.
Slam dunk, are you ready to make me?